Introduction. Welcome back, creative minds, to our design-focused channel. Whether you're an aspiring designer or simply someone who appreciates the power of visual communication, you've come to the right place. Today, we are delving into the captivating world of design principles and exploring one of its fundamental aspects, hierarchy. Design is all about creating order and guiding the viewer's experience. And at the heart of every successful design lies a well-established hierarchy. It's like a roadmap that directs our eyes, captures our attention, and helps us navigate through the design with ease. From websites to posters, packaging to user interfaces, hierarchy is the secret ingredient that makes designs visually appealing and effective. In this video, we'll unveil the magic behind hierarchy and discuss some key principles that will empower you to create stunning designs that command attention. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to enhance your skills or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to master the art of hierarchy in design. So, let's embark on this design journey together. Get ready to unlock the secrets of contrast, scale and proportion, white space, color, typography, and alignment. These principles will serve as your design compass, guiding you to craft compelling visuals that leave a lasting impact. Whether you're designing a website that needs to communicate key information at a glance or developing a logo that captures the essence of a brand, hierarchy will be your trusty ally. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in hierarchy and the design principles that underpin it, enabling you to create captivating designs that make a statement. So, grab your sketchbooks, fire up your design software, and let's dive into the enchanting world of hierarchy and design principles. Together, we'll unlock the potential of your creativity and take your designs to the next level. Now that we understand the importance of hierarchy, let's delve into the key principles that can help you establish it in your own designs. The first principle we'll explore is contrast. Contrast refers to the deliberate use of differences in visual properties such as color, size, shape, and texture. By strategically employing contrast, you can create a clear distinction between different elements within your design, thereby establishing a visual hierarchy. For example, using a bold and larger font for headings compared to the body text will naturally draw attention and emphasize the importance of the headings. Moving on to the next principle, we have scale and proportion. Scale refers to the relative size of elements within a design, while proportion focuses on the relationship between those elements. By varying the scale and proportion of different design elements, you can create a sense of hierarchy and guide the viewer's attention. Larger elements tend to grab more attention, so use them for important focal points. Conversely, smaller elements can be used for secondary or supporting information. Our third principle is white space. Also known as negative space, white space refers to the empty areas between and around design elements. It plays a crucial role in establishing a visual hierarchy by providing breathing room and allowing the content to stand out. By strategically using white space, you can separate and prioritize elements, making your design more readable and visually appealing. Let's move on to the power of color. Color is an incredibly influential design element when it comes to hierarchy and conveying meaning. By using color strategically, you can create contrast, highlight important elements, and guide the viewer's attention. Consider the emotional impact of different colors and their cultural associations to effectively communicate your message. Warm and vibrant colors often draw attention, while cooler tones can create a more subdued effect. Typography, our next principle, is all about the style, arrangement, and appearance of text within a design. By carefully choosing appropriate typefaces, font sizes, and styles, you can establish a clear visual hierarchy and enhance readability. Headings, subheadings, and body text should have distinct styles that reflect their importance and help viewers navigate the content effortlessly. Last but not least, we have alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of design elements in relation to each other. By aligning elements consistently, you can create a sense of order and organization within your design. Whether it's left-aligned, centered, or justified, consistent alignment helps establish a clear hierarchy and gives your design a polished and professional look. Incorporating these design principles into your work will significantly impact how your designs are perceived and experienced. By mastering contrast, scale and proportion, white space, color, typography, and alignment, you'll be well on your way to creating visually striking and effective designs that engage and captivate your audience. And there you have it, the power of hierarchy and the design principles that support it. By understanding and implementing contrast, scale and proportion, white space, color, typography, and alignment, you can create designs that not only look visually appealing but also effectively communicate your message. Remember, hierarchy is the backbone of successful design. It guides the viewer's eyes, creates order, and emphasizes the most important elements within your composition. Whether you're designing a website, a poster, a logo, or any other visual piece, incorporating hierarchy will elevate your work to new heights. As you continue on your design journey, don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of hierarchy. Every project is an opportunity to refine your skills and find unique ways to establish visual order. Take inspiration from other designers, explore different styles, and always consider the needs and preferences of your target audience. Keep in mind that hierarchy is a versatile tool that can be tailored to fit various design contexts. What works for one project may not work for another, so stay flexible and adapt your approach accordingly. The key is to maintain a clear and intentional hierarchy that guides the viewer's attention and enhances their overall experience. So, go forth with confidence, armed with the knowledge of hierarchy and the design principles that support it. Let your creativity soar as you create designs that not only catch the eye but also effectively communicate your intended message. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of hierarchy in design. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, keep designing and embracing the power of hierarchy. Before we wrap up, I'd like to ask you for a small favor. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in understanding the importance of hierarchy and the design principles behind it, please take a moment to hit that like button below. Your likes serve as a great encouragement for us to continue producing quality content like this. And if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos on design tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you never miss out on any new uploads. Your support as a viewer means a lot to us. It fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and helping fellow designers like yourself. So, if you want to join our growing community of creative minds, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thanks to all our subscribers for being a part of our journey. Remember to keep honing your design skills, experimenting with hierarchy, and creating visually stunning and impactful designs. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and strive to deliver content that truly resonates with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may find it beneficial. Together, let's continue to learn, grow, and inspire each other in the wonderful world of design. Until next time, keep designing and let your creativity shine.